Our listing at 416 Titan Circle in Murfreesboro has something for everyone. If I had to describe this listing in one single phrase, it would be OMG, 5 bedrooms and a bonus room. The super functional floor plan features soaring ceilings, beautiful trim, and hardwood floors. Downstairs has a cozy living room fireplace and a spacious kitchen with a massive island and granite counters. The first floor master suite boasts tray ceilings, a private bathroom, and a cool barn door. Upstairs you'll find 4 additional bedrooms, plus a large bonus room. The whole second floor has new carpet. Let's not forget the backyard with its privacy fence and large covered porch. Inside and out, this wonderful home has everything you could ever want. And to top it all off, it's located on a quiet, low-traffic street that's close to absolutely everything. Don't miss the boat on 416 Titan Circle in Murfreesboro. Give us a call or contact your favorite realtor to schedule your private showing today.